Hello guys, welcome to part 5 of our series. Let's speed it up. Okay, so let's go to the inventory and we are going to design this container to be something like table. We want a table here. Let's go to this and add a table. Now this table will hold all of the information about our items and things such as that. Okay, and here we want few buttons. Okay, we want few buttons. It's going to be an add, edit, and then delete button. Let's put 3 buttons here. Okay, and then it's going to be add inventory. Copy that, paste it here. Okay. Okay. Uy, sorry. That's not what I intend to do. Add. Next is the edit. And let's add another one. Edit inventory. Okay. Control C, Control V. Okay, and then one will be the delete or so. Okay. Let's now configure our table. So table contents. Okay, let's create a table. So first is the ID of the item, name of the item, the price of the item, how many items. So it's what's that? What is this called? What is this called again? I don't know. Let's just edit it later, please. I can't remember. Okay. Editable, let's make it not editable, resizable, yes, and should we add another table, another column? I don't know. ID, name, price, amount. Let's make it amount. How many items is available to our store? Close. So ID, name, price, and amount. Now let's create a database that will add the value here. Go to the xampp. How long? Yes. Just start the MySQL and I don't know, let's start Apache and go to the Chrome so that we can create a database using our PHP MyAdmin. Okay, so test mode. Let's go to the PHP MyAdmin. Local host / PHP MyAdmin. Just wait for a while. We just have to create a database, so you don't have to worry. Okay. It cost a lot of time. So let's create a new database. The base name will be point of sale. Okay, then create a table. Will be the inventory. Number of columns will be 4, of course. Let's wait for it. So the name first is the ID. Okay, length 11. Null is the primary. Yes. So let's make it auto increment, so we don't have to add something to it. We don't have to specify the ID. Next is the name, varchar 255, and then that's that. Next is the price. So the price will be the int 11, and then the amount will be int 11 as well. Save it. Okay, so now we have our database here. Let's go back to our wait before I okay, so we have created our database. Now let's go to the NetBeans, and then let's create a new class here. New class, and it's going to be the connection, or let's say database connection. Finish. After that, you need to create a constructor here. So to create a constructor, just type the public and then add the name of the class. So it's going to be the database connection, and then put something like this. Now you have a constructor, and when you construct this class, it will run this constructor. Okay, and then we are going to paste the code to connecting to database. So the code is going to be something like this. Let's format that. Okay, so now you get a thing like this one. So first let's create a variable for con. So connection, and then we have to import connection here, and then okay, and then we return the con. Unnecessary. Okay, so we don't have to return anything because we are at a constructor, so it's going to return things like this. Okay. I don't know. I guess it's not the right thing to do. Let's not use the constructor. Let's create a new method. So, okay, hold on. Get database connection. Okay, public connection. Okay, we did this. And then, okay, public so public connection. So, and then it needs a return statement, so let's paste our code, and then we have to add our return statement. So let's return the con, which is our connection to our database. Okay, so JDBC localhost. Now we have to replace the betastore DB to our point of sale. Root our username and password. So you have just to copy this code. It's still the same. Okay, and that's class for name, return con, and then if ever, let's just return null or so. Okay.